1992 Saab 900 with a 2.1 liter. I mistakenly called it a 2.0 liter earlier. Okay. Heater bypass valve has been eliminated with 2 3/4 inch hot cold PVC pipe. Don't seem to have any leaks. Oh, there's the hole. 10mm nut that holds the bolster, they call it, knee dash pad in. There's one. Walk around to the other side of the car. And there's the other hole. Got to take those two out of that dash knee pad. It's not going anymore. Dashboard knee pad, whatever you call it. And looking on the other side here. Zoom in on that clutch master cylinder. There it is. Had to rebuild that one. A couple of seals. Okay, back to normal here. Yeah, doesn't appear to be leaking. There's my camera. Look at it. Here's the culprit. Gotta watch them belts. The bottom or the lower heater control valve stem. The end was cracked. Like I said, somebody did a good job of sawing the end off where it was cracked back to good plastic. Then it started leaking, and I had to go back even further by beating the firewall in a little more. Which so far everything's holding up. You can see the elimination of the heater bypass valve also, not to be confused with the heater control valve, which we're looking at right now. Go inside the car. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Grab a flashlight. Okay, what do we have here? There's the heater dash pad. And you can see up in here, there's the heater control valve and the heater core housing. Okay, that's it. Thanks for viewing. 10-4 over. Got her done, man. I'm even doing a video on it. 'Cause I got a ton of questions on the whatever I do on this car.